Okay, boys, what's going on here tonight?
Well, we've competed in an orange eating challenge
Every year
Yeah.
for the last 2 years.
We eat an orange. I'm not sure why we do it, but today we're taking a step up, and we're gonna eat a banana with a banana peel, minus the nubbin. The first year will be minus the nubbin and the handle, but
Next year we might change that.
yeah. So mine looks a little thicker than yours, actually.
It could be.
Are you ready?
Yep.
We've never
Are we racing?
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
But don't choke.
We're racing, but we've never actually tried the peel yet. So
Okay.
we're allowed to drink water though, right? Is that the-
Yes.
the
Sure.
deal?
Yes, but it will slow you down.
Yeah, it's pretty ropey
Yes.
already.
Okay.
You want to just give us a countdown, hon?
Okay, 5, 4,
Yuck.
3, 2.
Already.
Okay, start again.
Oh, it's just hard to hold it still.
Mine is thick.
You're making me nervous. Come on, go.
Okay. Ready?
3, 2, 1, go. Good job. Don't choke.
I had a dry patch.
No choking.
What the?
Is that easy, Greg? He's like wolfing her back. Did you have a drawn part?
I'm on the verge of throwing up.
That is such a terrible peel.
It's not very appealing.
Oh, Jody, good job. This is it. You gotta show me the whole mouth. Wow, that was loud. Don't choke.
I'm done.
Poor Jody. You need to spit it out. Spit it out.
Wow. Okay, time up.
Wow, you did it. Hooray. How do you feel? What does it feel like in your mouth?